Welcome back. Now, GetResponse does have a website building application. If you go to the Tools area, what you'll see is that you have a website builder, and it's different from the landing page builder. We're going to click on Website Builder. And what you'll see is that you can click here to create a website. You can use a ready-made template, or you can use the AI Builder. For the sake of this video, we're going to start with the ready-made template. And we are going to choose an appropriate template. We are going to choose the template that we want, and we're going to use the template. Now, upon entry, what you'll see here is that you are on the home page, and that when you click on any of the elements, you'll see a menu come up on the right side. So every place where you click, you'll have another level of customization that you can add. You'll also notice that you are on the home page. If you go to this area, what you'll see is that there are other pages that you can customize. And we will look at some of these elements in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.